delegate your Gmail inbox to an assistant. Now, if you have a virtual assistant or an executive assistant or anyone helping you out administratively with your email inbox, you may not want to give them the password to your Gmail account, but you still need them to be able to go into your inbox, manage it, view all of your emails, and reply to emails as themselves. So for instance, I want my executive assistant to go into my emails, manage them all, and be able to reply to emails that are sent to me, but as her. So there is a really cool way to do this using Gmail. So what you're going to do is log into your Gmail account that you want to delegate. Now this is called delegation in your Gmail service. So when you're in your email inbox, on the top right hand corner of your screen from your inbox area, you will see a little gear symbol called settings. So click on that settings, click on settings again in the menu that drops down, and then you'll have a number of sub options that you can go to along here. So you click on accounts and you will then scroll down, and on the left hand side you have the option to grant access to your account, and you can add an account. So I've got add another account, but add an account is an option you have here. When you open that up, a dialog box will pop up for you to enter the email address that you are allowing delegation to. So I've put my assistant's email address inside this box. You press next and send delegation. It will then send an invitation to that person's email address. They simply press accept the delegation, and that will allow them to log in and view all of your emails from their own account and reply to themselves, reply as themselves from their own account. So this is a fantastic method to use if you have staff that you need to manage your inbox, but do it in a way that's semi-secure in that they log in using their own login details to their own email account, and they can manage everything from there. I hope that helps.